Hello class, this is a video tutorial on derivative expressions. So far we have seen two types of functions whose derivatives, first, second, third, etc., resemble the function itself. Mainly being exponential functions, the literal derivative of e to the x is itself, but even a to the power of x for any base of a also looks kind of like the original function as well. Likewise, with trig functions, in particular sine x and cos x, their first derivative resembles the second derivative somewhat for both. Okay, so with that in mind, let's take a look at what we can do with their expressions like this. So effectively it's saying, well, given a derivative, show that this expression is actually equal to 6y. Well, for this, as you can see, it wants the first and second derivative. So let's do exactly that. So here we go, y prime. Well, the derivative of e to the power of 2x is itself multiplied by the derivative of the power, so 2. The second derivative is the exact same thing, but since we're multiplying 2 by the derivative of the power again, it becomes 4. Well, following exactly what this says now, if it says, so let's draw a little line. So y double prime plus y prime equals, well, we can show that. It's going to be 4e to the 2x, sorry, plus, so I'm substituting this expression here, and y prime is 2e to the 2x. 2e to the 2x. Well, these are the same algebraic terms, giving us 6e to the 2x. And since e to the 2x is equal to y, we can say this must equal 6y. So if I really want to show this, I'm going to substitute y equals e to the 2x. And there we go, we're done. We have shown that this expression is true. So that's effectively it. So here we go. Let's try it for the next one. You can pause and give this a go yourself. This one ever so slightly tricky. But take a close look. I've just tried to make you aware of the notation. This one, it is just another way of saying the second derivative. So with that in mind, let's just do the first and second derivative here. So here we go. Y prime equals, the derivative of sine is cos 2x multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of 2x is just 2. Y double prime, actually let's write this out. Should have written this with proper notation. It'll be dy on dx is equal to this. So now d squared y over dx squared, well, that's going to be, again, the derivative of cos is going to be negative sine of 2x. There's still that 2 here, but we now need to multiply again by the derivative of the inside. So this becomes 4. So now, doing exactly what it says 4y plus d squared y on dx squared is going to look like 4 lots of sine 2x plus the second derivative, which is now this, going to be negative 4 sine of 2x. We can already see it here. It's 4 of this minus 4 of these, but just writing it out in full, we get 4 sine of 2x minus 4 sine of 2x equals 0. And there we go. We've shown that this is indeed true. Now, that's effectively it for this short video. You can probably pause and give this a go yourself. These ones are a little bit trickier, but it's effectively the same skill, just harder questions. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.